Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hello, I am Samantha and I post videos weekly on here about my motherhood journey, lifestyle videos, and different product reviews. Today's video is going to be all about cloth diapering. On my Instagram, it has just been highly requested that I share my cloth diapering routine with you, my wash routine, and how I get the poop off of my diapers. It definitely is the worst part about cloth diapering, but if you can get past that, then you will be all set. You'll be saving a lot of money, you're helping the environment out, and it is more comfortable for your baby. At first, cloth diapering, the wash routine was really easy for us because I chose to breastfeed Freya, and we still do breastfeed, but now that we have transitioned to table foods, things have definitely gotten a little bit more complicated, if you will, because with the breast milk poops, you don't even have to rinse them off or anything. You can just throw them in the wash if you wanted to, because the breast milk is actually water soluble, so the washer does all the hard work for you. But when you transition to table foods, you definitely need to spray off before you put in the washer. So first, the way that I dispose of my cloth diapers when they are dirty is just by using the Ubi diaper pail. I am going to start by just unloading all of the diapers into the washer. I do take the insert out, and then any of the poopy diapers that I have, they'll be in little mini wet bags. I'll put those aside, and then I will show you guys how I take care of those bad boys here in a little bit. But first, I just like to put all the pee regular diapers in the wash first. So I clean my cloth diapers, or the poop anyways, a little bit different than most people. I used to have the Spray Pal, the sprayer for the bathroom in the apartment, but since moving into our home, we have such low water pressure already. I just didn't think it would work very well. And then also, now that Freya is on the move, I just didn't feel comfortable leaving a big container in the bathroom for the actual spray guard, so you're not spraying poop all over the place. I just know that she would have found a way to get into it, whether I'm getting ready in the morning or just, kids find a way into anything if you just leave them unsupervised for one moment. So I didn't want to have to deal with that. So what I do is I just take my dirty diapers outside and I use a water hose with a sprayer, and that gets the job done for us. Granted, I know this is not going to work for everybody. I live in a very warm climate, so I don't have to worry about, the weather affecting whether I can go outside to clean the diapers. I don't have to worry about a bin or anything being in the bathroom next to the toilet that Freya will get into, or just, spraying poop in the bathroom in general. So I really like this method. It's not going to work for everybody. There are different ways to clean your dirty diapers. I'll have a blog post linked below for all the different ways, but this is just the way that works best for us. Okay guys, so I am just going to show you with a pee diaper, a normal diaper. I'm not going to show you actual poop, that's really gross. Let's first turn on the hose. So I take my diaper, I just kind of lay it down like this, and I use my clamps to clamp the sides. Again, this would work so much better if I had a larger trash can that actually had a hole cut out in the bottom, but this is what I'm working with for right now. And then I just spray it off. So afterwards, guys, you are going to want to wring out your diaper from all that extra water in it. You could definitely wear gloves to do that. I personally find it takes up too much time. It is almost like another step. So I use my hands. I know that's gross, but it's your baby, and I don't know. It's just quicker, honestly. And when you're a mom, the quicker method is the one you're going to gravitate towards more often than not. As far as the water that I collect in that trash bin, I could even go inside and throw that away in my toilet, but most of the times I just kind of dispose of it on the lawn. It's good fertilizer, am I right? Like I said, a ton of different ways you can do this. Just find one that works well for you, because this, I think, is the ultimate thing that's going to make or break your cloth diapering journey. Oh. So once I'm done spraying off the poopy diapers, I then bring them in and put them in the washer with the regular diapers that I showed you guys earlier. Based on your water hardness level, you are going to have a different wash routine, so keep that in mind. There's a ton of resources out there to find the correct wash routine for you. I loved the Fluff University website. I'll leave that linked in the description below for you guys to check out. In the apartment beforehand, when I first started cloth diapering Freya, we had very hard water, but now in the house, we have very soft water. So I'm not having to use as much laundry powder because you can create a lot of suds with soft water, and you don't want that because you're not cleaning your diapers in that way. Also, I usually have to add like some towels into the washer with my cloth diapers because in order for your cloth diapers to be washed correctly and properly, you need them to agitate against each other. That's what, allows them to scrub up against each other and actually, be washed. So if you're finding like you have a smell problem with your diapers or they're not getting clean, you may need to add some bulkier items in to properly wash your cloth diapers. The first wash cycle I run, I use a little bit of Tide powder and do a cold quick wash to just loosen anything that might still be on the diapers. The second wash or main wash is where your diapers are really cleaned. I fill the detergent cup up to about the third line and then run a heavy wash on hot. And this isn't required or anything, but after I do a load of dirty cloth diaper laundry, I will run like a self-clean cycle with some bleach and hot water. I'll then just throw them all in the dryer. I will look through them first though to see if there's any like staining on them. Breast milk poop is notorious for leaving that like yellow stain on clothes and diapers. And if you're having this problem, just put them out in the sun. A sun bleach will do amazing thing for clothes and your cloth diaper, your inserts, and just like the covers as well. But more so the inserts. For me, that's always kind of been my problem. So I just have like a drying rack that I use for other clothes, but I'll take it outside and I just leave the inserts on that for an afternoon. And when I come back in the early evening time, they're almost spotless. It's amazing how well this works. So if you're having some staining issues, give this a try. The inserts do take a little bit longer to dry in the dryer, so I usually just take out my diaper covers first and then I'll let them run for like another cycle or two. It just depends. But yeah, now that I have all of my clean cloth diapers here with me, I'll just stuff my pockets like I would normally do. If it's just been like a really crazy day, I will just kind of like put them away and then stuff as I go. But I personally just like to have them like ready to go. That way I can use these diapers just like I would regular disposable diapers. I have a video where I compare Stout House, Little River Cloth Company, and Sunny Bum, so check it out if you haven't already. I am so in love with this brand and I just wanted to show you guys. It's just crazy how thin the Stout House ones look compared to the Little River Cloth Company, and then there are some Sunny Bums mixed in with that pile as well, and then I have some Grovia all-in-ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit TMI and kind of gross, but like I said before, if you do not have a good cloth diapering wash routine or a way to remove the poop from your baby's diapers, then you're going to be fearful of them going number 2 in the diapers and you're not going to cloth diaper them. So that's why I wanted to make this video, to be helpful to all of you caretakers out there that are trying to cloth diaper their baby. Let me know in the comments below how you take care of your cloth diapers at home, your wash routine, or just helpful tips and things that you have found works best for you as a cloth diapering caretaker. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.